Hey guys, DIY Corner here again. Hey, do you ever wonder why you get the clickety-clack under your dash, when you turn on the heat? Well, this is the part that's causing it. This is the part number from O'Reilly's. This is out of a 2009 Ford Taurus. I just did a video on it. I'm going to show you what's going on. So I don't care about this one. I'm just going to crack these tabs open. If you wanted to fix it, you could take your time. I've already been down this route, fixed these a couple times and then gave up. And one more right here. Just going to pry open. I don't think there's any screws kicking around. Yeah, there's a couple more over here. Let's break these off too. And one more hanging out here. They don't make it easy to get into, but they don't make it strong enough to last more than 6 months either. That's the interesting piece. Okay, almost there. All right. So this comes apart. You're going to start to see the gearing mechanism inside. Okay, so here's the gears. 9 times out of 10, there's a broken gear in here somewhere. So this is what drives the whole mechanism. That's my 12-volt motor. I'm going to pop this out, take a quick look. Kind of tough to see, it's not in focus. Yeah, it's shredded, but not crazy. I've seen them worse. Yeah, there we go. Right there. There's our culprit. So, there's supposed to be teeth there. You can see they're all rounded off. Okay? Kind of tough. It's because they're rounded. See if we can get a better example. There's one. So you can see the teeth on the bottom where my fingers are down here. Okay? So, if you're savvy enough, and you get a couple of these kicking around, you can probably take one out of one, put it into another and fix it, but hell, for 20 bucks, who cares? So, maybe not the most productive video, educational video, I don't know, but if you were really interested in what makes it go clickety-clack, there it is. If you like this, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. If not, tell me how you didn't like it. That's fine too. Guys, have a great one. We'll see you next time.